Welcome to Daily Motivation and Inspiration with Dan on this beautiful rainy day where I help you become your higher and better self. Today we're going to be talking about focus. Focus on the intention. Yesterday I am getting ready to launch a new website. It's LeFaveCoaching.com. I'm getting ready to launch this site and I have almost everything done except these blog posts that I had on my old site. And so my designer, Alice, says, okay, I brought the old posts over, but not the images. You're going to have to put the images in there. So she sends me a message and it says, you have 37 images to put into those blog posts. And I'm thinking, oh man, it's been so many years I've been creating these posts. I don't know where those images are. And as soon as I started thinking about it, automatically I thought, this is going to be hard. And it was a bit of a downer. I was okay, this is more work than I anticipated. And on a day when I had so many other things to do and other focus. And so I'm thinking, this is going to be hard. But then I caught myself and I realized, okay, what is my intention? My intention is to get the website up and be ready for folks like you to see it and get value out of it. So I turned my attention around and I started thinking, okay, well, how can I get these images up on my site easily and quickly? And then I remembered I had shared some of those blog posts on my LinkedIn profile. And so I shared them in an article. And so then I start looking on LinkedIn. I realized, wow, I have all sorts of images there. Some of them created by other designers, which is fantastic. It wasn't going to be just me, taking a snapshot of a video or something that I created. And so then I started working my way through this and finding all sorts of images and getting it done. And so it was easier. It was a lot easier than I thought. But at first, I started telling myself it was going to be hard. It was going to be hard work. It was going to take time. And that's not what I wanted. That's not my intention. My intention was to get it done easily and quickly. So I shifted that around really quickly. And I'm telling you this because oftentimes we do that. We think about we're going to do something if it's new, uncomfortable, unfamiliar. We think about it being difficult and hard. And it doesn't have to be. You can chunk things down. We can do what Mark Twain did. You take the complex and break it down into simple steps, simple incremental steps, getting it done, and that's it. But if you tell yourself it's going to be hard, it will be hard. If you tell yourself that getting up early and doing physical exercise is going to be hard, it will be hard. But if you do like I do, have PhD pig-headed discipline, you just get up and you do it. I'm going to go and do my spin bike, yoga, breath work, some exercise using gravity, and that's every morning. Every morning, I don't take days off. That's it. But it's simple enough that I do it, and I've been doing it for years now. So, think about your intentions. Always think about your intentions when you're doing things. If you're making it bigger than it is, stop. Stop yourself and find the path of least resistance. It's always there. You just need to find it. All right. So remember to help eliminate mental blindness disease by thinking differently and doing something different today. Help out. And if you're not watching this video on my YouTube channel, I'd love for you to subscribe. Head over there. You'll see other videos, longer ones, that will help you become your higher and better self. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.